All right, if you are brave enough, here is how it slides in. So this is the angle you have to get the pan at. Let me move around so you get a good look at it. First of all, you get all the exhaust off and everything, right? You get all the bolts off the inside of the pan like we talked about in a couple other videos. There's the new pump, so we're kind of doing this in reverse order, right? Now that I know you can actually get it back in. All right, it's going to take a lot of patience, guys, and you got to really be able to use both your hands, and all that would be helpful to have a friend hold it, but you can do it alone because I did it alone. So this is the attitude the pan needs to be at, right? It will not come out because of this part of the cylinder head, the right head, or this part of the head, something like that. It hits that, there's no way this pan is going to come out of there. Well, the way they intend it to come out of there. So, there's the oil pump drive bolt. There's the chain. There is a tensioner on this chain. It feels like it doesn't have a ratchet lock, like the old import Japanese cars used to. So hopefully it doesn't, because I was able to pull it up and down. Sorry, it's going in and out of focus. So here's how you do it. You get the pan all the way loose. I had those two bolts out before, that one and that one. There's a long one. Well, hold on. Sorry, this is going to be really hard for you guys to understand. There's that one, which has a dowel pin up underneath it. Let's see if we can stay focused. This one, which is at the back of the pump, has a dowel pin underneath it. This one, don't forget about it, very long. Those two, let's see if we can focus on those two. Right there. Oh, well, you get an idea. Need to come out, right? That one and that one. Sorry, it's not focusing. It wants to focus closer, but you get it. And then you kind of slide around. You got one right there that you sneak out. Then you kind of move the pan around this area right here. And, oh my goodness, where is it? There's one on this side that you actually have to take out with a wrench in there. You can barely see it up in there. Hold on, stand by, guys. Let me see how I got this out. So, hold on, let me pause this thing. All right, when you're holding it like this and it's hanging off, you can get to that bolt right there, right? So that was one of the first one. Well, like I said, I had all the back ones off. Then I took that one out right there. Then I went to the other side and pulled the other one. So that one right there, I had to use just an 8mm box end on to break that one loose, and then I just unscrewed it, and then of course the chain sprocket and all that. So that is the process of how you can actually drop it. Back up a little bit, drop the pan down, get the pump out if you need to do a pump. And like I said, the solenoid's pretty easy. There's a solenoid that comes through the hole in the end. I would definitely do the solenoid first,